Hello, how are you today? So I have a very simple question for you. Have you ever been to a technical conference, to a marketing conference, to a business or financial conference? Probably yes. And have you ever watched a presentation and maybe get intrigued with some kind of data that were reported on a chart? And possibly sometimes came to your mind that some numbers were not reported really well, or that the data could be interesting to have at the second point in time. But the fact is, you have only a few milliseconds to capture that information, and then the speaker will go on to the next slide, and basically you've lost that information, or you couldn't get the answer that you really were looking for. Now that contrasts a lot with all the augmented reality software that is being developed in this last few years. And in fact, now there are lots of industrial applications where really the workers can go on a field with their mobile, can overimpose lots of information on visuals that they're seeing. Likewise, in the travel industries, there are lots of applications that have been created for providing the tourists and the travelers with overlaid information on where they are and help them reaching their goals in their journey. But that's not quite the case when you look at things like either events or even when you look at documents and digital documents. There is not much of information that gets augmented into the document or into the presentation that you look into these events. Now, if that is something that interests you, I wanted to share that I believe that a technology like the one we developed, the SnapChart computer vision engine, is intelligent enough to provide an augmented reality engine with all the information that are needed to overimpose additional mathematical data around presentations and data presentation and data visualizations in real time. If that is something of interest, be aware that we're looking for a home for this very innovative technology, and we're looking for asset transaction or IP licensing, and would like to talk to you. Just reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to give you more information. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and goodbye from this beautiful California.